Hi, my name is Rakesh Kumar, BPSC mathematics teacher for class 11-12. Today we discuss about very important MCQ for relations and from relation and function. This is very important MCQ for your competitive examination, just like TRA, BPSC TRE 4 and some other competitive examination, NBS, CTET, and also for class 11 and 12 students. So we see that my first questions, if x plus y comma x minus y equal to 3 or 5, then x and y will be. We know that in order pair the first element of LHS and first element of RHS is equal, and the second element is equal. Now we have two equation, first x plus y equal to 3 and second x minus y equal to 5. So we solve easily x and y or y plus and minus. So we cut x 2x and 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So x equal to 4 and x equal to 4. Now putting the value of x power 4 in equation 1, so we get y equal to -1. Now my answer is C. Option C is correct answer. And second one, if a by 3 comma b plus 5 equal to -1 comma -2, find a comma b. Do solve itself. Now third questions, if a equal to the set of 1 2, b equal to 2 3 and c equal to 3 4, then find a cross b union c. Okay, now first of all we find a union b. We know that a intersection v. We know that intersection is the common element of both sets. Now we see that in a set have two elements 1 2 and b have two elements 2 3. So here 2 is the common element. Now a intersection b equal to the set of 2. So b intersection c, also find b intersection c. B is 2 comma 3 and c equal to 3 comma 4. Here the common element is 3. So b intersection c equal to 3, the set of 3. And we find a cross b intersection c. A have two elements, the set of 1 2, and b intersection have the set of 3 1 elements. So we put a equal to 1 comma 2 and into the set b intersection c equal to 3. Now we solve. Now we cross product, Cartesian product 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3, and option B is correct. Okay, again fourth questions, if a cross b equal to a cross b, that is the Cartesian product of two sets. A Cartesian product of two sets equal to 2 minus 3 minus 2 3 2 3 0 3 0 4 3 3 3 4. Find a. Find. How to find a? In Cartesian product, the set of Cartesian product, the first element of every order pair is the set A. A belongs to A, and the second element of order pair belongs to B. Now -2 0 3 is the first element of order pair A cross A in A cross B. So option A is correct answer. Second one, next question, if A equal to the set of A B C and B equal to P Q R, then find the cardinal number of A cross B and represent cardinal number. Cardinal number represent how many elements in the given sets. A equal to ABC and B equal to, we know that the cardinal number of A equal to 3 and the cardinal number of B equal to 3. We know that the cardinal number of N cross N A cross B equal to NA into NB. So NA equal to 3 and NB equal to 3. Now product 3 into 3 is 9. So option D is correct answer. Now next question, if A equal to the set of X Y Z and B equal to AB, how many subset will A cross B have? How to find subset? When the Cartesian product of two sets A cross B, whose subset is 2 to the power na into nb. We see that in set A, cardinal number of A equal to 3 elements and the cardinal number of B equal to 2 elements. Now we put 2 to the power 3 into 2, 3 into 2, so 2 to the power 6. We know that 2 to the power 6 is 64. So option is B correct. Now next question. Question number 7. Let A equal to the set of 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 4. Find the number of relation from A to B. We use formula number of relation from A to B. We discuss how to find the number of relation from A to B in previous classes. So check out. Now number of relation from A to B use 2 to the power na into nb. Here we see that the set in set 2 elements, in set B 2 elements. So 2 to the power 2 into 2, so 2 to the power 4 is 16. The D is correct answer. Question number 8. If Na equal to P element and Nb equal to Q element, then Na cross B. This is very important. We know that Na cross B equal to Na into Nb. So P into Q is right answer. If fx equal to 2x by 1 plus 10 square x, then f pi by 4. So we putting the value of x equal to pi by 4 and solve this question. Okay. F x equal to pi by 4, 2 10 pi by 4 by 1 plus 10 square pi by 4. We know that 10 pi by 4 equal to 1. So 2 into 1 equal to 2 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 to cancel out. Now my answer is 1. So option C is correct answer. Question number 10. If fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 by x minus 1, then find the value of minus 2. This is very easy question. Okay. Now next. Find the domain of the function fx equal to root x minus 1. How to find the domain? Okay, fx equal to root x minus 1 when root in under root any value, so x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. X minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. That implies x is greater than equal to 1. So x belongs to, in number line we see that x is greater than equal to 1. That means x is greater than equal to 1. So greater than equal to 1 is goes to positive infinitive. So one pick close in x belongs to the close one and open interval infinite. So answer is 1 to infinitive. Option A is correct. Find the domain of fx under root minus 9x square. Solve on. The domain of the function fx equal to 1 by root under minus 9x square is, when, how to find the in denominator, if the question is root in under root, so we take 9 minus x square is only greater than 0. So minus x square is greater than minus 9. We multiply minus both side. We take change x square less than 9. So we use to two products x minus 3 and x plus 3. So we get x is greater than equal to minus 3 and x less than 3. Option B is correct. Now next question. Question number 14. Find domain and range of real function fx equal to 4 minus x divided by x minus 4 is. Domain fx equal to 4 minus x divided by x minus 4. So domain of f equal to r except 0. When we put 4 in denominator, we get 0. We know that 0 is not places in numerator because its function is undefined. So real number except 4. Now let y barabar 4 minus x by x minus 4. First of all we solve and calculate x. We get x equal to 4 plus 4y divided by 1y plus 1. Now range is equal to real number except minus 1, because y, putting the value of y in minus 1, we also get in numerator 0, so fx is not defined. So therefore range is equal to real number except minus 1. 15th, the domain and range of real function fx is equal to 3 minus x and x minus 1. This question is similar to question 14, so solve you. The range of the function fx is equal to mod x, absolute x, mod x. Its answer is 0 to infinity. Find the range of fx equal to root minus x square. Okay. Find the range of the fx equal to 2 minus 3x. Okay. Now 19th questions. Let a equal to 1 2 and b equal to 3 4. Find a cross b. This is very easy questions. 20. If a cross b equal to ax, ay, bx, by, find b. Solve you on self. So this is very important MCQ. Please solve this all questions and for your examinations. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.